Today's project, I'm going to build a second flag holder for my friend's tractor. He liked the way my flag holder on the Massey turned out, so he wanted one for his Gravely tractor. So I'm going to take this little plate, I'm going to build this one slightly different for his. I'm going to drill a hole in this plate for this bolt. The bolt will be welded to the plate. He already has a ball hitch on the back of the tractor for a 3/4 hole. So this will fit right in there. We'll put a lock bolt on the bottom. And this time, instead of bending this pipe up, what I'm going to do is just cut a foot of this round pipe off, and I'll cut it at a slight angle, and I'm going to just weld it all the way around right to this plate, and then I'm going to clip the corners. So follow along here. I'll take you along the whole build process. The pipe welded very nicely to this piece of 3/16 plate. You can see I got it fully welded all the way around. I always have a little bit of trouble welding in a circle. It's a little bit more difficult than welding in a straight line. But it came out nice. I'm going to bring it over and test fit it on the tractor. And if it all fits like as it should, I'll be giving it to him. He'll put a coat of paint on it and it'll be all finished up. So thanks for watching on this little quick project. And keep posted for more videos. Thanks, guys.